Start with a slip knot and chain 32. These measures are on 7 inches. You can change the size by increasing or decreasing the starting chains. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, 1 and 2. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this all around. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Next round, 1 double crochet cluster in the first chain space. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops, but do not finish this stitch. Now repeat this 2 more times. Four loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 cluster stitch made. Now repeat this all around, 1 double crochet cluster in each and every chain space. This is the next chain space. You will have 1 stitch remaining. In the last stitch, make 1 double crochet. This is how it will look. Now chain 2 and turn your work. Next round, 1 single crochet in this first stitch. That is in between this first double crochet and this cluster stitch. Chain 1. Skip this cluster and 1 single crochet in between these 2 cluster stitches. Now repeat this all around. Chain 1, skip the cluster, 1 single crochet in between these clusters. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Now keep repeating this 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.